You're not going to believe how real the taste and texture of this meatless sausage patty is. In fact, I'm almost willing to guarantee that if you made it for your carnivore friends, you would most definitely fool them. It's a recipe that comes from World War II when meat was rationed, and you mix together eggs, quick cooking oats, and all these spices. You let the mixture sit for half an hour and form it into patties. Then you sear them in hot oil until they're nice and golden on both sides. The complete recipe is on my website. You should see the link in the description below. Then you add water to the same pan along with a bouillon cube and return the patties and let them simmer for 20 minutes. This is what's going to give the patties the strangely meat-like texture. You can discard the cooking liquid or make gravy out of it, and then you have to return the patties back into the pan and sear them one last time. It's a bit of a production, I know, but once you see how realistically sausage-like these patties turn out, you're gonna realize how much it was worth it. So go try this out and maybe fool a few friends and let me know how they turned out for you.